Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. So I'm starting out my Tuesday morning haul face first because I have such a great story to tell you. My heart stopped, it really did. I was looking at the Christmas crafts and a young lady walked by and she looked at me and I thought, oh my gosh, what do I do? And she goes, oh, you're Gretchen. And I'm like, yeah. She goes, I watch your YouTube channel. It was like recognition. Oh my goodness. So, hi Siobhan. I wanted to give her a shout out. She helped me a lot. She was one of the sales associates there. And we got to chit chat a couple minutes, and it was just the most amazing, odd, weird. Cool. I mean, just it was like so many feelings all at once that someone actually recognized me. So again, Siobhan, thank you so much for your help at Tuesday morning. And you know, I'll be back. So this one, I went out today. Yeah, I went out on a Sunday. I'm just joking. But I'm home back in my pajamas. But we went over to New Jersey. So this is from the Haddon Township. Haddonfield, I can never get that right. Haddonfield Township store in New Jersey. Let me show you what I got because that was the big one. Yep. Big bag of goodies. And I don't know if you know, but there's a 20 off of 75 coupon out there floating around. I think it's good until tomorrow. It was 3 days. So of course I had to go, use a coupon. All right, let me flip you around and I'll show you what I got. So let's start our haul with a shot of the Bella Kitty Cat. Hi, Bella. So I got a big bag here. All right, I had to move you because they're watching TV and it's loud, so hopefully it's a little quieter over here. Haddon Township, that's where it was at. I want to say when I call the SKU number, it says something else, but anyways, I picked up this box, storage case. Now, if you guys go to Michael's, they have the iris cases, and they were on sale, but they were, I think, $5.99 or $6.99, and this was $3.99 with a number of 1968114. I've seen them before. I just went ahead and grabbed one because I noticed I'm overflowing in the Christmas stuff at the moment. I'm hoping to kind of put everything in there. So, what else did I get? I finally found these. I saw these hauled many, many times. It's the library tags. There is 12. I'm just tickled that I found them. There was only one pack. Of course, I would have gotten more if there was. Got some fabric. And they're fat quarters. Holiday style. You know what caught my eye was a sled right here. And then there's a holly pattern. And Christmas, it looks like colors. And again, another holly pattern, but on reverse. And then this poinsettia. So I did get that. This is a dual pack of magnetic list pads. So on this side it says Season's Greetings. I love there's a little sprig of pine needle there, and then there's like some light scroll work. And on the other side it is making a list and checking it twice. And I think that would be great going into a journal. A package of napkins with Santa on the train. I guess getting off the train, handing out toys. There's the number. And for 20 pieces, I think that's a pretty good deal, $1.99. I've been decoupaging a lot lately with napkins, so it's been fun. I picked up this mini pack of envelopes from American Crafts, $1.19, and this ombre color. Artsy. This is in About Us. I just love these little packs of ephemera. They have a little bit of everything in there. And there's what's in it on the back. Just lots of fun stuff to play with. And I think this is older. It is, but you never know, your store might have it. I got another one of these Santa's Hotline. And it is magnetic on the back with 60 sheets of paper. This artsy stamp and cut, I got it mainly to make tabs, and then I like how I can make my own book plate, and it does come with some stamps. This house mouse stamp says Mud Pie and Muzzy. Commentary from Brett on the movie, if you guys hear that. I did pick up this set of cards. Let me grab my, okay, I did open these. They are cards, 12 ornament cards and 12 envelopes. There is the number. And I'll show you what it looks like. Has this great glitter. And then when you open it, does have the sentiment in there. Botanical Christmas stocking. Isn't that cute? On both sides. I also picked up these mini cards. I think this is the third year I've collected these cards. And they're just fun. I love the retro snowman. I'm pretty sure I have something very similar to this, but with different colors. And there's Luna. See if I can make a mess. So it does say it comes with 24 holiday cards, 4 each of 6 designs, created from rare and antique ephemera images. This Be Merry, and I believe they are blank inside, yes. Peacock with the wreath. This Christmas tree. Oh, this one has what, a deer in the red truck. You have your envelopes. That is Merry Christmas. Old World Santa. And then last up, I think, are these snowmen, right? Yes. Merry Christmas. That's really cute. Alright, set these aside. I got this I Love Christmas pack by Lori Whitlock. Comes with all these great papers. There's the sticker sheet. And I've seen this hauled many times. In case you didn't see the number. There it is. Now this is one of those packs that's all the same paper, and it's American Crafts Color of Memories Family Picks. There's the front side. I don't know what color is coming up on camera, but it's actually a very deep purple with you know, the green vine, and then it's a purple stripe on the back. What is that, 12 pack. 12 pack of 12 by 12 sheets. And then I got this one as well. There's the number. So you got the map on one side and then this dictionary print on the other. and that is a 12 pack as well. And then I got 3 packs of the Very Merry Christmas by accident. But that's okay. It helped me meet my $75 threshold. When Siobhan walked by, I was holding this, and she looked at me, and I thought, oh, did I do something wrong? Because the way she looked at me, and it made me so nervous that I just put the paper in my cart. And because she was passing through with the cart, and I was kind of blocking the lane with the cart, so I pulled my cart over, and I was kind of going through the paper packs. So I just stuck it in my cart, and then I'm like, when I got home, I said, oh my goodness, I got 3 packs of this Very Merry Christmas. And I think I have some more from last year. But that is okay, because I have been using a lot of Christmas paper lately. And you can't go wrong with, Christmas stripe and music paper. And there's even, looks like some types, newspaper type. So that is fine. There's pack 1, there's pack 2. And there's pack 3. This was in the clearance section. 40% off this 7 Gypsies envelopes value pack, 50 of them. These have been around for a while, and at 40% off, I can't beat that. Of course I'm going to get it. These envelopes are 12 by 12, and I've actually mailed a pocket letter in one of these envelopes. And it was cheaper than sending it in a box, in a priority box. And then you get all these cream colored and small and, variety of envelopes. So definitely good for the price. And I think that was it. Yeah, there's a 3rd pack of paper. Let me just move this stuff over. I have one more thing to show you. And then I had to go tell Mark. I said, you will not believe what happened. And it was just so, it just was delightful and fun and exciting for that to happen to me. And somebody actually recognized me, so for me, tomorrow it's just another day at work, and my coworker will call and we'll chit chat and we'll say what happened over the weekend, but she doesn't know I have a YouTube channel. But it'll just be another day at work tomorrow. Alright, last thing I got. Move that out of the way. I'm excited to get my Christmas stuff in there, because I'll show you real quick. Since I'm sitting over here, I have a full box. Look how full that is. This was also 40% off. It's the Bo Bunny Juliet Party in a Box. If you know me, or if you watch my videos for any length of time, I have one of these already. I've used a couple things out of it, but you can't beat, I paid $5.99. You know what? I got my receipt right beside me. $5.99. And I got all this great stuff that can be altered. Well, those don't need to be, but you can alter that. Party bags, tags, picks, sequins, twine, alpha and numbers. And there's what it looks like. So the banner, I can cut, the holes out if I don't want them. I got these beautiful envelopes, gift bags. Just a lot of fun in a box. So I did grab it. I think it was the last one there in the clearance section. So that's a lot of fun. That's my Tuesday morning haul. It was great meeting you, Siobhan. I hope to see you again real soon. And everyone, thanks for joining me for a few. Take care. Bye-bye.